In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel and delete a Squarespace website. If you've decided it's time to part ways with your Squarespace site, follow along carefully as I guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace login page. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. After you've hit login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Click on that. This is particularly straightforward if you've linked your Squarespace account with a Google account, making the login process quick and simple. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. In your Squarespace dashboard, find and click on the name of the site you wish to cancel and delete. This will open up the specific settings for that particular website. Now you'll want to head over to the settings, click on the link that takes you to the settings page. This link is usually easy to spot on your dashboard navigation panel. Clicking here will bring up a list of different preferences and settings you can adjust. Next, we need to focus on the domains and email. Click on this section in your settings panel. This is where your domains are managed, and it's essential to tackle this part properly to ensure there are no loose ends when deleting your site. Within the domains and email section, find and select the domains option. Here you can see all the domains associated with your account. Now select the domain linked to the website you want to delete. It's crucial to make sure you are selecting the right domain, particularly if you manage multiple sites. After selecting your domain, you need to disconnect it. Click on the option that allows you to disconnect the domain. Following this, a confirmation prompt to disconnect will appear, and you should click on disconnect to proceed. This ensures that your domain is no longer linked with your site, which is an important step in cancelling your presence on Squarespace. Now let's navigate back. Click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will redirect you to the main settings area. From here, locate your website in the list. To proceed toward deletion, click on the three dots next to the website's name. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you the option to delete the site. Click on delete. You will then see a final confirmation prompt. At this step, double check that you're deleting the correct site, then click on delete again to confirm. This action will permanently remove your site from Squarespace. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully cancelled and deleted your Squarespace website. Remember, once deleted, this action is irreversible. Make sure any necessary backups have been made beforehand. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.